Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to pre-market report. So apologies for the delay. Setting up took some time. US markets ended mixed. Dow was flat. It just closed 1 point higher. But whereas S&P 500 and Nasdaq ended significantly down. Nasdaq, I think it has fallen more than 5% in last few days. When they fall also, they fall drastically. When they go up also, they go up drastically. And US markets, very, very volatile this whole year. Surprisingly, the Asian markets are all down, except Hong Kong. And China is removing some restrictions related to COVID lockdown. So that is the reason why only Hong Kong is up. The rest of the Asian markets are down. And SGX Nifty, yesterday night it was higher, but right now it is down, but it is slightly down. And moreover, SGX Nifty is totally irrelevant now. That's because election results. So, though state election results are not that important, so sentiment attached to Gujarat state election will dominate the market. So the voting counting will begin around 8 a.m. I think first half an hour, only the postal ballots will be counted. So actual counting will start around 8 o'clock. By 9:15, already the first round of results may be coming. And by the time our market open, many TV channels will be start shouting, first round may not be the true indication. If you can remember, last time in the first round, Congress was leading, but the second, third, fourth round, so BJP won the elections. Markets can be highly volatile if this kind of two-way leading comes in. So the first 2 hours, markets may be volatile, and after that, the markets may settle down. If you look at the results, so exit poll results indicate BJP winning Gujarat, and if that happens, then it is not a surprise. So markets may not react significantly on the upside. So even if BJP wins Gujarat, markets may not move higher very significantly, but at the same time, in case if BJP loses Gujarat, and then, that is a surprise. And markets will react significantly or violently only for the surprise news. So, simply saying, if the results come as expected, Nifty may not make a very big upside move. But if the results come unexpected, the Nifty can move on the downside very much. So, I do have some positions for this weekly expiry. As soon as market open, I'm planning to close, whether there is a profit or loss, but most probably I will be in profit only because I have sold more call options than put options. In fact, I have sold call options aggressively. Even the 18,800, which is about 250 point higher from the current price, that is also trading around 10 rupees. When the market open flat, so that will come down to 5 rupees to 6 rupees, so it's better to exit the positions. And then, if at all we required, we can re-enter the position after the trend is very, very clear by 11:30. The risk in the first 2 hours is very, very high. And however, we are just correcting just because the global markets are correcting. And rupee is depreciating and the FIAs are selling. So yesterday also FIAs have sold for more than 1,000 crore. So that is having some kind of a negative sentiment. But however, the domestic institutions are in no mood to let this market down. So now the Nifty has come to 18,500 to 550, which is a support zone. So Nifty broadly was trading between 18,500 and 19,000 for the last 2 weeks. So in fact, Bank Nifty has been absolutely flat for the last 2 weeks. I remember 2 weeks before taking some strangles. That time Bank Nifty was around 43,000 and yesterday it was only 43,100. And so 43,000 also tested yesterday. Bank Nifty is concerned, it's going up, coming down, but it's consolidating just because US markets are down significantly, Nasdaq is down significantly. We are having some impact in IT stocks. So year to date also, IT index is the worst performing index. So as long as IT index recovers, so we are not going to recover significantly. On top of which, for the last few days, Reliance is also coming under selling pressure. You may remember 1 or 2 weeks before I said Reliance is coming to the upper end of the trading range, 2200 to 2800. So it came 2700 plus. So I sold 2,900 call option and 3,000 call option. That I'm sitting in good profit. Of course, these are all positional trades, so anything can happen in the next few days. So, and today especially, the markets can be highly volatile. So, unfortunately, the election results coincides on weekly expiry. So, most of the time, bigger things happens on Thursday only to make markets very, very volatile. So, let us hope markets may be volatile, but let us hope 18,500 in the spot Nifty takes support. So right now we are in the lower end of the trading range of 18,500 to 19,000. So here the risk reward is not very high, favorable for the short sellers at this point of time. So at the same time, if you are taking any long position, keep a strict stop loss of 18,500 spot in Nifty. So once again, let me reiterate, I am not a SEBI registered analyst. So this is just my personal view. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.